For just 249,000 pesos, meron ka ng Ford Fiesta 2014 model. 1.5 gasoline liter engine. No? This is in manual. Tested sa long drive, well-maintained ang ating interior. Powered windows and then powered side mirrors. Meron tayong stock mags and then 90% pang makapal ang ating gulong. Tapos ang ating unit is meron na rin siyang stereos. As I've said, powered side mirrors, powered windows. Meron ka na rin well-maintained banana wipers. All working. Meron kang LED lights sa iyong headlight. Meron ka ding well-maintained na dashboard. All working. Tapos sa loob naman, well-maintained ang ating mga upuan. It is in 5 seating capacity and malaki ang ating cargo.